So yes. So he might y'all might take North Carolina over. Kenneth Daniel's name just rung a bell to me in my ears. I like that Kenneth Daniel. That little sweetheart right there. That red little beard he came in was real long. His personality. And that was just what I really like, because I'm a talker, and he talked, and we would have talked all day about it and tell him, boy, you got to go. And the conversation, I like this conversation, I like this mannerism, and everything about this company just rung a bell. The telephone calls that I got, the telephone calls I have received since they finished. And I like this. It's like they grow on you like a little family. First day they did it, that evening the wind was blowing. I said, they got paper blowing everywhere. I'm going to have to walk out here and tell them they got to pick this paper up. I looked again and everybody, where did the paper go? And that was some winner right there. They picked up everything from a shingle, piece of paper. They had the little lunch. They was clean. So I watched them do the job, and I left. But when I came back, everything was looking good, and I appreciate it. And Chris was a sweetheart. He won my heart.